Hello everyone, welcome back to Inspire Words, where big ideas meets bold action. Today's topic could be the difference between a dream that fits and a startup that takes off. We are talking about the art of pitching, how to craft a message that connects, convinces, and converts. Let's dive into what makes pitch unforgettable. By pitching matters. You could have the best product in the world, but if you can't explain it in a way that excites other, you are invisible. A great pitch isn't just about getting funding. It's about winning hearts, building partnership and inspiring people to believe in your mission. Every pitch is a moment of opportunity, and in that moment you either rise or disappear. The pitfalls by pitches fails. So many pitches fall flat. Why? Too much jargon, too many slides, no emotional hook, no clear ask. People tune out when it feels like a lecture. You have got to grab attention, build connection, and create desire. Here is the rule. If your pitch can't be understood by a 12-year-old, it's not ready yet. Let's discuss about the power of structure. Good news. There is a framework to pitching that works. It is about memorizing lines. It is about telling a story that feels real and relevant. We are going to explore a 7-step pitch structure that can turn any idea into compelling message. Ready? Let's break it down. Step 4, the hook. Step 1 is the hook. Your opening line has one job: get attention. That could be a shocking stats, a personal story, or a bold question. Example: every day 1 billion plastic bottles are thrown away and 80% are never recycled. Now I am listening. The hook makes people lean in. Without it, you lose them before you even begin. Step 2 is defining the problem. Make it relatable, make it urgent. People invest in problem they feel. Don't just say what the problem is, say why it is matter. The stronger the emotional connection, the higher the engagement. You can use phrases like here is what the people are struggling with, or the issue affects millions but no one is solving it right. After that, the step 3 is presenting the solution. Now comes the solution, your idea, your product, or your innovation. But here is the secret, don't just talk about features, talk about benefits. Not what it is, what it does. How does it make someone's life easier, faster, safer, and make your solution feel like a lifeline, not just a gadget. Step 4 is highlighting the market. Next, show the market opportunity. Investors, partners, even customers want to know, is this idea scalable? Is there real demand? Show the numbers, paint the landscape. Don't exaggerate what, make it clear that there is a gap and you are here to fill it. You could say, we are targeting a 5 billion market that's growing 12% annually. Now let's talk about the step 5. Show the edge. This is step is about edge, your unique selling proposition or USP. USP is nothing but the things that makes you different? Is it a technology, a better process, or a passionate, experienced team? People don't black the idea, they back the advantage. If your pitch doesn't show why you will win, people won't bet on you. Step 6 is make the ask. This part is simple, but most people forget it. Why are you asking for? Or what are you asking for? Money, mentorship, or collaboration? Be clear and confident, don't beat around the bush. Example: we are looking to raise 10 lakhs to expand our pilot. We are seeking a strategic partner to scale manufacturing. If they don't know what you want, they can't say yes. Step 7 is memorable close. Your closing should be powerful and memorable. Reinforce your mission, leave them inspired, make them feel like they are missing out if they don't join you. You can end with a bold vision, a powerful quote, a callback to your opening story. The goal is to stay in their mind after you have left the room. Now let's discuss about the tips for mastering the pitch. Before you step on that stage or hit send on your pitch deck, remember these tips. Know your audience. Speak in their language. Practice like crazy. Rehearse until it flows. So passion. If you are not excited, no one else will be. Use visuals. Don't overwhelm with text. Anticipate questions. Be ready with answers. Tell a story. That's what people remember. Now let's see some real world example. Let's say someone is pitching a water purification solution for rural areas. Here is how it could go. Hook. Every 20 seconds, a child dies from waterborne diseases. Problem. Millions don't have access to safe drinking water. Solution. We have created a solar powered purifier that works without electricity. Market. We are targeting blaze across 5 Indian states with high contamination rates. Age. Our tech filters 10 liters per hour and cost 70% less than competitors. Ask. We are raising 15 lakhs to deploy our first 500 units. Close. Clean water should not be a luxury. Help us make it a right. Boom. That's how a pitch connects and converts people. Pitching isn't about being perfect, it's about being clear, passionate, and authentic. So, next time you get your movements, make it count. Like, share, and subscribe for more content that fuels your hustle. This is Inspire Words, and your story deserves to be heard. Thank you.